Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Lilian Robert channel. And for today's vlog guys, ay magluluto tayo ng lunch ng fried rice. So ito, simple lang tong luto guys, kasi ako lang naman ang kakain nito. So halo-halo lang lahat. So tara guys, at magluto na tayo. Thank you so much. So, ayan na nga guys, at nahalo-halo ng lahat. So, halo-halo, at ito ay luto na guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I love you all. Tara guys, at mag-lunch na tayo.